Hey everyone, thank you guys so much for clicking onto this video. As you obviously saw by the title, this is going to be my vanity tour. So this is a quick overview of my vanity. There are two Alex 5 drawers on the side. And this is everything on the top. So I'm going to start with the stuff here. Here I have a little thing with cotton balls and some things with acetone. Here I have all my coins. I save till it gets to the top, and then I put it in this old candle jar. Here I have some setting sprays, primer sprays, and some sunscreen, even though I really don't need it right now. And some lipsticks, which I have to just like reorganize and refill. Here I have, this should be here, some perfumes in the back, and then other perfumes in the front, and then my favorite perfume, so I just keep it here. I've got a handheld mirror back there, and just some more lipsticks here. In this drawer I have all of my eyeliners. In this drawer I have all of my brow products. And in this drawer I have my mascaras. Moving on to here, I have some more lipsticks in here and down here, and that's just my favorite lash glue, which should be somewhere else probably. And then again, just more lipsticks. And here I have basically all my beauty blenders. I have a candle jar that I'm actually cleaning right now, so I can put them all in there, and I'm really excited for that. And I've got a sharpener, a tweezer, and another lipstick, which shouldn't be there. Right here I have just a few lotions and a hand sanitizer, and I have two of these brush cleaners. I have more lotion, and here is just pretty much all of my chapsticks and lip balms. And here I recently got the James Charles brush thing, so I have all brushes in there. I'm in the process of cleaning my brushes, so that's why it's kind of unorganized. And up here I have my mirror that I use when I am doing my makeup, and that just goes like that, and it turns on, and I just store it up here so my vanity just looks a little bit cleaner. And then moving on to here, I have some hair cutting scissors that I have to get a case for because I don't have one for these. I've got a spray bottle, which I love because it mists out instead of squirts out, which is really nice. And then here I have a bunch of hairsprays, mousses, texturizing sprays, dry shampoo, and stuff like that, and then just minis of stuff. So that was a whole overview here. And then in this top drawer I have nail products. So I have the powder gel powders, nail files, the polishes and stuff for the powder gels, and then like cuticle cutters and stuff there. In this next drawer I have color brushes and stuff. I've got a topsy tail. In this thing I have hair cutting combs, and in this part I have tail combs and foiling combs, and these are two like teaser brushes. And then back here I just have a little kit of hair ties and bobby pins, hairpins, and clips and stuff like that. In this drawer I have two spray bottles back there, more bobby pins and clips, duckbill clips and alligator clips in here. This is a thing for combs and stuff, but it's empty. And in this, I don't know what I have. So in this, I just have mini skincare things. In this drawer I have just like lighteners and developers and some extra color and stuff. And then in this drawer I've just got some extra containers that aren't being used. So working our way over to this side, here I have the bag I put like empty stuff in for Empty's videos. And in here I have primers, concealers, foundations, eye primers, lashes, and lash glue. All in here. In this drawer I have some cheek palettes. These are things that I have that are unopened and unused, so they're all stored together. I've got face powders, blushes, highlighters, bronzer. It's kind of just like become a mess, so I have to definitely reorganize this whole thing. Here is my now mess of eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. So if you want an in-depth tour of everything, comment down below. In this drawer I have basically just extra makeup bags that I definitely have to declutter. And I've just got some miscellaneous things in there, like a empty thing which I should throw away. And just gloves for doing hair. So here you go. This is everything on my vanity. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Like I said, if you want an in-depth tour with everything I have, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!